No. Hello everyone. Today we're gonna do the puzzle. Here's the puzzle. This is a unicorn one. See, and have another unicorn here. Okay, and then we're gonna open it. Wow. Wow. I have the puzzle and have the letter in the back. You can see the letter. And also have a book, a My Pony book. This is Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, Applejack, and Fluttershy, and Rarity. And this is a unicorn. I have to follow this. And we're gonna open this. I'm gonna open this. Yeah. Okay, I already opened it. Okay. I was just gonna put here or here. I was just gonna put here and then I will put the letters together. We're gonna put here on the side first. Oh. Then later we're gonna put back here on the side first. Okay, there's some of these. Okay, and then I need to separate. There's so many. I have to do all of this. So many. Okay, this is F. First, start with A. This is A. Okay, this is A. Letter A, sort of here. Start here. Letter A, start. Where's the letter A? Okay, we're starting with letter A. A. We have letter A here. And we're gonna get all of the A. Have a lot of A here. How can I get all of this? Ah, it's gonna be a lot. 100. Is that 100? You can look here. Here. It is 1000. 1000. Where's the other one? Here. Still have a lot. You can see have a lot. Have a lot here. Have a lot. Oh no. Okay, where's the A? Here. I got 2A. This is A. A. Now I have C also. I have C. Is it like I don't know this. I don't know if it's A or C. I cannot see it. It's so many. I'm gonna put it together first. A, A, A. There's so many. I cannot get all of this. A and A. A. My hands is dry already because of the puzzle is dry. Smells like puzzle. I'm turning around the puzzle so I can see the letters. So many. Many. Oh, I'm A here. See, I got a lot of A here. Ah, so many to do. Ah, here it is. Here as well. And here. And there. Where's it? Ah! This one. I don't find that it's really hard. Ah! Fall down the box. Ah! Huh. No, this is not A, it's D. Can you see A? No? Well, I see the A. It's right here. You cannot see it.